They keep on about this major storm coming through the States. Well, if we get any more and we get the back tail of it, we're pooped. Because this is shithole Canada 3 months of the year. I'm waiting to get my wash truck set back up and go washing. Do you think it's going to happen anytime soon? And if we get hit by this major storm that the States are supposed to get, and we are in deep shit. I'm done with it. Done with it. Talk about depression. Unbelievable. It's been weeks and weeks and weeks.